Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Melissa from Melissa's Paper Place, and I'm making a 12 by 12 layout. This is a cut file from Pink Paisley, or no, sorry, Page by Page. It's called Flower Wreath. Absolutely love it. It's so pretty. And I'm using the hip kit for April, and was inspired by their colors of the kit this month. This is my first layout, 12 by 12, and I do have some difficulty backing this. I get the hang of it after a while. Maybe if I would have used some thinner paper instead of cardstock, that's kind of what I'm thinking. But I tried a couple different ways, like penciling it, cutting it, and ta-da, it's done. Or gluing it and then cutting around it. But if anybody has any tips for me regarding backing cut files, I would love to hear it in the comments below. Thank you so much. So here I am, just attaching the finished wreath. I have it kind of hanging off the right hand side, and I'm going to cut that off and use part of it for a corner cluster, a base of the corner cluster of the layout. So I did also have a mess up on that side, so it was just a good idea to get rid of it. Anyways, so here I go, just gluing it in spots, and then spots that aren't glued are just kind of popping up a little. I didn't put anything under it. It might lay flatter after it's been in my book for a while, but I'm going to use this frame, and I think it's from the Pink Paisley collection. I'm not sure, but all this stuff is from the hip kit from April 2018. And this picture is just a picture of my two daughters when they were young, and we go camping a lot, and they're just sitting on a very big rock, and I'm sure feeling like they're on top of the world. And we get some wind here, so my daughter's holding her hair back, which she's always had long, beautiful hair. So I'm sure she knows what she's got to do is just hang on to it or pin it up. Anyways, so I'm just going to kind of place that down in the flower cluster, just some of it popping in front and some of it behind, and making sure everything next to the edge is attached well. Put a little more glue there. I really wanted to use that little dress. I really liked it, but I do not end up using it. And the bows as well, I really wanted to use those, but they don't make the page either. Just some more flowers and little bits and pieces from the collections of the hip kit. So I'm just figuring out how I want to place that, and I think, yeah, this bottom corner is where it goes down at. Otherwise it would have been upside down. So just trimming the edges so it fits, putting glue on it, kind of hanging off the edge there as well, mimicking the wreath of hanging off the edge, going off the edge. And then I just take some more pieces and make them pop up and make it more three-dimensional than it already is. I love backing cut files. I haven't done it a ton, but I really like the look of it, and I know I plan on doing more. It makes doing a page pretty easy. It's the main thing. It's the, besides the photos themselves, there's not a whole lot of embellishing to do after you put a cut file on. So, gonna trim that up and figure out where maybe my other cluster is gonna go, what it's gonna be, what my title's gonna be. Looking through and seeing what I have. Oh, this was that says friends. I wanted to do, there was a best there on the right, and I was going to do best friends. And these two daughters have always, definitely been best friends. They are so close. It's just a blessing. I just feel so blessed in their friendship. And of course, like all children, they have their moments of driving themselves crazy, or driving, each other, or, me, perhaps some days. But anyways, they would fight, but they certainly did not fight very much. They got along and probably worked out a lot of their differences, their little spats and things when they were younger, themselves, because they just, they're the younger of a large family, so they stuck together and worked things out, Anyways, so I just trimmed up that small piece, and took some of the white off. Probably would have been fine either way. I think I probably just wanted it to be a little bit smaller to fit in there. And we're going to find some more floral pieces and figure out what's going to work. Everything, like I said, is from the hip kit for April. The Pick Me Up Pink Paisley, and the paper is from Pink Fresh Studios. I love that paper. Kind of ombre squares going out, all tousled back and forth, kind of like the faded stamping, which I really love too. Anyways, still not sure about my title. I just think it's too plain up there in the corner. It needs something else. I really went round and round with this title. I could not figure out where to put it and how to do it. And I wanted to use it, but I didn't really like the look of it right now. I love the font of Friends and everything. That's a beautiful puffy font, but could not figure out the placement. Anyways, that didn't really fit, so go to something else or move on from there. Those puffy stickers that I just had in my hand are so vibrant and beautiful. I think it's exclusive from the hip kit this month. So pretty. Oh my gosh. There was so many things I would love to have used, but not everything can fit on one layout. And still look good anyways. So this is a sticker. I put a little wax paper on it and cut it out because I wanted it to pop up off the page and not lay flat. Even though it's puffy and wasn't too flat, I just wanted more dimension to it. So I'm getting some of my foam dots to place on the back there, and I'm going to use that to start a cluster up on the top, and that would be one of my 3 points of embellishment, excuse me. So yeah, looking to see what else I can do here. And what I decide to do is take some of these puffy phrases and place them around on the wreath actually, and kind of just decorates the wreath a little bit. I do end up moving them, that you'll see in the still pictures, a couple of them. I had yellow by yellow and blue by blue. See, I've got the 2 blue down there. Anyways, they say dream big and I love you, spring is in the air, and my sunshine. And I just I thought all of those went well with my layout, my picture, I mean. And anyways, my camera went out of focus, and I did try and figure it out and actually couldn't, so I switched over and started recording from my new phone, which I think worked okay, worked well. I hope. I might just start recording from my phone because now I know how to do it, and I don't know, I don't think I'll have as many problems. Anyway, so here I go putting some more of these beautiful puffy stickers on, and I go ahead and use some hot glue, especially when I'm laying them on top of the cut file, because it'll sink into all the little cracks and really make sure it's gonna stay, instead of just the adhesive. So I'm just kind of putting down some little flowers and enamel dots, and these were all on the puffy sticker sheet. A beautiful little yellow butterfly that's puffy, which I thought was really neat because I do use a lot of butterflies, and they're all paper and very flighty, 3D off the page, which, you know, I love. And I just liked that this was different, and I think it kind of brought some balance to the page instead of putting more, you know, wings flying out and everything on a cut file that's already kind of, you know, I don't know, loose, flying up, I don't know. Anyways, so back to what I'm doing. So I put friends on there, and what I decided to do is use my 1-inch punch to cut out best. And it brings another circular element, which I think it needed, with the wreath, and then the pink round flower, and the bottom left-hand corner too is kind of a round cluster. So this is a clear sticker dot that I just got from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. I turn anything and everything into an embellishment with those things. That's really the only thing I use that wasn't from the kit. But anyway, so I nestle in that little wreath, that puffy little wreath between the I and the D, and then just center best in the middle. And I think that's it, and that's my layout. I'm gonna go ahead and have some close-ups here at the end, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so much for joining me.